how do you handle stress? Exercise, journaling, donuts, going to one of those rooms where you can break things? We all face daily anxieties. How we choose to handle them makes all the difference in our personal and professional growth. Welcome to Windley Productions, where we are dedicated to helping hardworking professionals and entrepreneurs like you improve your lives with every minute you watch. In today's video, we discuss the beloved mindful mental exercises of meditation. We will review what meditation is, why it is so important, provide you with practical resources, and walk you through the steps to bring calm to your busy life. For those who use meditation as a tool, they often find breaking the barriers of anxiety and emotional surrender leads them to clarity and greater success. They can remove themselves from their emotions and deal head-on with their problems. If meditation works for busy people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah, it might be worth a shot, right? Take a big, deep breath with us, and let's get started. For over 3,000 years, people have used meditation as a tool for a more peaceful existence. Human life has changed in many ways since then, but in so many ways, the stress we are under is the same. Nerve-wracking conditions create difficult to manage emotions. We can combat those feelings with calm. Pausing to meditate and clear our minds may be just the silence you are looking for. But you're not alone if you feel like sitting with your emotions is unnerving. In fact, it's kind of the point. You may be surprised at how productive you may become, even after a few tries. The purpose of meditation is to experience the practice of mindfulness. This is where you focus on being aware of what you are sensing and feeling in the moment, without explanation or judgment. Awareness like this leads you to process feelings and emotions from a more detached and less reactive perspective. Perhaps you're simply overwhelmed and need some time to think, or possibly you are angry at an employee, client, or friend. In these moments, taking a time out or break for meditation is incredibly useful to process those feelings. You need to sit with your thoughts in peace before you can understand where they are taking you, and if you want to go through that journey or release those thoughts entirely. Meditation cannot solve your problems alone. What it does is allow you to shift how you choose to relate to, react to, and view the circumstances happening around you. Your growth through this practice is a marathon and not a sprint. You will not attain mindfulness in one session. Like exercise, it should be done repeatedly and with total effort to get the best results. As humans, we encounter stressors daily. No matter what we do, stress is everywhere. From uncertainty and the burden of responsibility to others' demands or feeling like your workday is never done. Do you find yourself up well past everyone else, pushing your mind to perform circus-style leaps and turns? Do you get to 2 or 3 p.m. and want to walk away from all your duties and responsibilities because you know you can't complete the tasks you need to that day? Are you working from home and all the distractions in the day pull your mind in every possible direction? For any of you trying to build a business from scratch in this crazy world, or if you are rebranding your skills to partake in the era of the gig economy, you may feel overwhelmed or full of anxiety and uncertainty. Starting a new business, venture, and project can be daunting, but with the right team, anything is possible. Is it time to get started on turning your bright ideas into an exciting work in progress? Fiverr is offering its Fiverr Business Annual Membership at 100% free for the whole first year. You deserve to make 2021 the first step in your giant leap towards success. Fiverr Business gives you full access to their hand-picked catalog of top freelance talents, as well as a fully integrated collaborative environment. Fiverr Business gives you the tools you need to launch, scale, and manage your startup from just about anywhere in the world. But that's not all. Fiverr stands as one of the most efficient scaling solutions trusted by startups and small businesses across the globe, thanks to the cost-effective pricing of most freelancers on the platform. To learn more, click the link below and sign up for your free Fiverr Business account. Your mind is arguably the most powerful organ in your body, and it requires mindfulness through meditation, just like your heart requires cardio for maintenance. Meditation is like a gym in which you develop the powerful mental muscles of calm and insight. Ajahn Brahm. Now that you understand the purpose of meditation and what you're trying to adjust in your life through this practice, let's discuss different ways to meditate and some practical steps to including it into your routine. Step 1. Dedicate time. Whether it's 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or any time in between, You need to carve out time 2 to 3 times a week to see improvement in your life. We all know you have the time. It is about making that time a priority for your overall well-being. Do you need to play Pokemon Go on your phone for an hour? Or could you take even a quarter of that time to meditate? If you want to make this a positive habit, you need to have the discipline to regularly commit to the practice for at least 3 weeks. After that, like all habits, it'll become much easier to do. Step 2, make yourself comfortable. Start with an environment free of distractions and mostly quiet. This doesn't mean you have to isolate yourself. Groups of people meditate together all the time. Try to avoid the phone ringing or noises from the computer or television. Trying to meditate in the break room might not be the best location. There is no proper clothing to wear while meditating. You just need to be comfortable. Tight-fitting clothing or ties and even shoes can feel constricting when relaxing. Monks aren't often caught wearing heels or leotards, right? You can practice meditation anywhere. Is it too hot outside? Practice indoors in a comfortable location. Need to get out into the fresh air? Find a nice quiet space outdoors. You can sit on a chair, a pillow, a mat, or even on the ground itself. There is no right or wrong position. Again, just make sure you are comfortable. Posture, however, is important. Try to sit with your back straight, neck relaxed, chin slightly tucked in, while resting your hands loosely on your lap or knees. You may want to begin by doing a few shoulder rolls in both directions. Step 3, guidance and motivation. For those of you just starting, you may consider researching meditation guidance via videos or audio recordings. Why? Well, just sitting alone with your thoughts without proper guidance may lead to your mind wandering, which is not the end result you're looking for out of the exercise. It is okay for your mind to wander. We'll discuss how to refocus in a moment. There are several great guidance tools online, like here on YouTube, that won't cost anything. Next, you need to think about your why. Why do you want to begin meditation? Are you having trouble connecting with others? Are you struggling with pressure? Do you hear about famous and successful people meditating and wonder if it has played some part in their great success? Having a reason to meditate helps you channel the right attitude. It also helps you stay committed to the practice. If you feel stagnant in your business or career, meditation can help guide you towards your next steps by allowing your brain to quiet and then, once it has a break, to focus and to dream. Think of your brain like a computer. They can't run 24/7 without a reset occasionally. The same is true with your mind. Meditation is your own personal system reboot. If you find yourself consistently overdone, you might not know it yet, but your chakras are out of whack, friends. In the book Third Eye Chakra, Awaken Your Third Eye Chakra with Simple Guided Meditation Techniques, Asana Swami discusses how to open your mind through meditation to your third eye. This simply means opening yourself up to the possibilities of the future, to become balanced and intuitive instead of scattered and reaction-based. The author lays out all of the benefits of meditation and how to balance your whole body with your mind, aligning all parts of your physicality with your spiritual center. You don't have to take our word for it either. With 97% 5-star reviews, this book is an affordable and well-respected tool to help guide you. As a supplement to this discussion, we recommend looking into his book via your Kindle, paperback, or even hardcover options. There is a link in the description below to make it easy on you. Step 4, body scanning. All meditation should start with a quick body scan. Start by closing your eyes. Take a big deep breath, and beginning with the top of your head, scan your body for aches, pains, and feelings. What is tight or tense? What is relaxed? It should only take about 20 to 30 seconds, but it's a great launching point in bringing awareness and mindfulness to your physical being. Step 5, the meditation. Now you sit, breathe, and turn on that snowy channel in your brain. Expect to be distracted regardless of guidance or not. You're only human after all, and your mind will wander. The practice and skill building come by redirecting yourself back to the guided meditation instead of allowing your mind to wander to other topics or worries. You cannot tame your mind that quickly, and like working out any muscle, it will take time. Focus on being still and breathing deeply. When you catch your mind thinking of other things, simply bring yourself back to the guidance and start again. With time and practice, you will notice fewer and fewer distractions as you master the art of mindfulness. There are different ways to guide you, whether you think of space, shapes, quiet, a mantra, or gratitude. In Third Eye Chakra, Awaken Your Third Eye Chakra with Simple Guided Meditation Techniques, You'll read that over time, proper meditation can guide you to perceive options and opportunities before they take place. It may feel like a sixth sense, but in reality, you are simply opening up your mind to possibilities in a calm state of mind, allowing you to work out problems and concerns before they even happen. When we are relaxed, we handle our pressures with perspective. Will this concern matter tomorrow, or in a week, a month, or even a year? If our worries are only temporary, we need to release them and not engage in the emotional turmoil they cause. If our stressors are long-term, reflective meditation can help sort through those thoughts and channel them into productivity. If you are looking to know more, don't forget to click the link in the description area to grab a copy for yourself of the book. With every breath, the old moment is lost. A new moment arrives. We exhale and we let go of the old moment. It is lost to us. In doing so, we let go of the person we used to be. We inhale and breathe at the moment that is becoming. In doing so, we welcome the person we are becoming. We repeat the process. This is meditation. This is renewal. This is life. Lama Surya Das Takeaways. The main point of meditation is to bring awareness to our personal here and now. When you are finished, be sure to take a moment to understand your state of mind. You will want to hold on to those feelings for the rest of your day. The goal is to recall that feeling of peace when faced with stressful moments, allowing you to react less to the problems around you. Perhaps you now feel relaxed enough to sleep or reset. Finally, enjoy the feeling. Hopefully, this advice and these tips help you successfully begin your adventure into meditation. Your brain and body will thank you for the time you're spending on them. We believe inner peace is within you, and we here at Windley Productions want to see you grow and develop. To continue on this journey of self-improvement, be sure to like this video and subscribe now. What are you waiting for?